Hi, this is Kumar. My son Satvik has been taking classes from Growing Stars for the past 4 years, starting with his high school, and he is currently a freshman at college. He is taking C++ classes with Growing Stars, and so far it's been an awesome experience. He kept saying that he's learning something new from them, and they're also able to help him solve or address any issues with his class syllabus. They match his curriculum at the college, and therefore it's pretty helpful, and he's able to know in advance prior to attending these classes, so he's able to learn at a faster pace. So this is really awesome that he's able to go ahead of his class and also clarify doubts in timely manner. In addition to this, they are flexible around the scheduling of classes. Even though they are in India, the tutors, they're able to accommodate PST time zone so that they can work around the student's schedule. I have recommended Growing Stars to a couple of my friends, and their kids are also reaping the benefits of the same. Thank you.